Start from question number 12. What is given? The perimeter of a triangle is 50 centimeter. Question number 12. Perimeter of a triangle is given 50 centimeter. Perimeter is 50 centimeter. Then what is given? One side of a triangle is 6 centimeter longer than the smaller side. One side of the triangle is 6 centimeter longer than the smaller side, and the third side is 6 centimeter lesser than the smaller side. Okay, so let us consider the triangle to be ABC. Okay, suppose this is the longest side and this is the shortest side. So if we consider the shortest side to be 8 centimeter, the longest side is 6 centimeter long, that is x plus 6. The third side is 6 centimeter. Sorry, what is given? One side of a triangle is 6 centimeter longer than the smaller side, and the third side is 6 centimeter lesser than twice the smaller side. Okay, is it given twice? Actually, I do not have the book. Shayan has just sent me the photocopy of his book, so it is not visible properly. Four centimeter longer. Okay. So one side of the triangle is 4 centimeter longer than the smaller side. Yes, who is there? 4 centimeter longer than the smaller side, and another side is 6 centimeter lesser than twice the smallest side. Twice the smallest side means 2x, 6 centimeter less, so minus 6. Is it correct now? Okay. So write down, let triangle ABC be the triangle whose smallest side AB equal to x centimeter. Look, here we have drawn a rough sketch of the figure. So we have considered this one AB as x centimeter. Therefore, the longest side is x plus 4, and the third side is 6 less than twice the smallest side. So twice means 2x, 6 less means minus 6. This much centimeter, here also centimeter. So now you know the sides of the triangle in terms of x. What is given? Perimeter 50. So write down, therefore by the problem or PTP, sum of all the sides is the perimeter. So x plus 4 plus 2x minus 6, that is the sum of all the sides, that is the perimeter, that is 50. Calculate this one, that imply 2, 3, 4, so 4x. So here I have 1x and then 2x. So 4x plus 4 minus 6. So it is minus 2. So 4x minus 2 equal to 50. That imply 4x equal to 50 plus 2. That imply 4x equal to 52. That imply x equal to 52 by 4, that is 13. So now you've got the smallest side, x is 13. So what will be the sides of the triangle? After this step, I am writing here. Therefore, the sides of the triangle are 13 centimeter because x is 13. Another is 30. Yes, wait. Yes. Yes, tell me. বোর্ডের রাইট সাইড দেখা যাচ্ছে না? Just turn on your skin rotation. Turn on your skin rotation and hold your mobile on the horizontal way. The whole board will be visible. Because in my phone, I can see the whole board. So if you turn on your skin rotation and hold your mobile phone in horizontal way, then the whole thing will be visible. So 13 plus 4, it is 17 centimeter, and 2x minus 6, that is 2 into 13 minus 6. 13 into 2, 26. 26 minus 6, that means 20 centimeter. Okay. So look here, this is one side, not the longest side. Look, I cannot read the question, whatever Sayan has sent to me properly. That's why I have written it longest side. So write down one side of the triangle. Please check it. Please check it. One side. This is not the longest side because we gave the longest side 20. So it will not be the longest side. Okay. Actually today I do not have the book with me. So one side of the triangle is the smallest side plus 4. Another side is, the third side is 2x minus 6. We have find out the perimeter in terms of x, that is equal to 50. So x equal to 13. So one side, the smallest side is 13. Another is 13 plus 4. And the third one is 2 into 13 minus 6, that is 20 centimeter. Please change it. This is not the longest side. Write down one side equal to x plus 4. Please change it. Clear? So now you got the sides of the triangle. Now you got the sides of the triangle. 13 centimeter. This is 17 centimeter. And this is 20 centimeter. Can you find out the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula? 20 centimeter. Can you find out by using Heron's formula? Three sides of the triangle given, perimeter is also given. Use the Heron's formula to find out the area of the triangle. Okay? So first of all, everyone copy the sum up to this step. Therefore, the area of the triangle ABC is, we have to use the Heron's formula, root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square unit. Put the values of S. What will be S? S equal to 50 by 2, that is 25 centimeter. If we consider A equal to 13, B equal to 17 and C equal to 20, just put the values of A, B, C and A's in this form, you will get your answer. Here, write down here S equal to 50 by 2 centimeter, that is 25 centimeter. A equal to 13 centimeter, B equal to 17 centimeter, C equal to 20 centimeter. Calculate it. So it will be root over area equal to root over S is 25, 25 minus A, 25 minus 13, 25 minus 17, 25 minus 20 square centimeter. Calculate 25. 25 minus 13 gives you 12. So 25 into 12. 17, if we subtract it from 25, we get 8. Here 25 minus 20, so 5. This much square centimeter. So it will be root over 25 is 5 into 5, 12 is 3 into 2 into 2, 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 and a 5. So this much square centimeter. For these two 5, one will be outside the square root sign. For these two 2's, one will be outside the square root sign. For these two 2's, one will be outside the square root sign. Now look, what do we have? We are left with 1, 3, 1, 2 and 1, 5. So just multiply them. 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 2, 30. So into 30 square centimeter. Everyone check the answer whether it is in square root form or in decimal. Check it. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So 20 root 30 square centimeter. The answer is in this format or in decimal. Check it. In this format. So answer matches. It is 20 root 30. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? So answer line, for the answer line, what you have to write? Therefore, the area of the triangle is 20 root 30 square centimeter. Last line. Therefore, the area of the triangle is 20 root 30 square cm. Okay, do it fast. Question number 15. The area of an equilateral triangle is 36 root 30 square centimeter. In the last class, you learned about the formula to find out area of an equilateral triangle. What was the formula? Write down area of an equilateral triangle is, anyone? Can you recall? It is root 3 by 4 into side square. This much square unit. Am I correct? Root 3 by 4 into side square. So this is the area to find out area of an equilateral triangle. Now what is given? This area is 36 root 3. Write down therefore by the problem, this area root 3 by 4. Look, root 3 is different, root 3 by 4. Root is only on 3, not on like this. So if you write it like this, it is wrong. So it is only root 3 by 4. So area is root 3 by 4 into side square, that is equal to 36 root 3 given. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the sides, because for the perimeter in an equilateral triangle, the perimeter is 3 times the sides, because all the sides are equal. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle, this is A, this is A, this is A. So perimeter means 3A. That means 3 times the side. So for that you have to find out the side first from this equation. So keep this term on the left hand side as it is. Root 3 by 4 was in the form of multiplication on the left hand side. So when it changes the side, it will become the division. So it is 36 by 36 root 3. Keep it as it is. This 4 will come to the numerator and this root 3 will come to the denominator. We can cancel out this root 3, this root 3. So we will be left with 36 into 4 here. Here side square. Side square is 36 into 4. So what will be the side? That implies side equal to square root of 36 into 4. Square root of 36 into 4. That is, you can do it by finding out square root of 36, then multiply square root of 4. That is 6 into 2. So 12. So side is 12. Therefore, what will be the perimeter? 3 into side, that is 36 centimeter. So write down, therefore the perimeter of the triangle is 3 into side, that is 3 into 12 centimeter, 36 centimeter. Those who have already done, check the answer. Do you have the same answer? Do you have the same answer? Yes, sir. Devjit Sarkar. Okay, thank you. So, copy this one, then we'll move to the next question, question number 16. Do it first. I am repeating. Here in question number 16, the area of an equilateral triangle is given 81 root 3 square centimeter or square unit. What is given? Cos centimeter. Okay. So area is 81 root 3 square centimeter. We have to find out its height. That is this one. The formula of height is root 3 by 2 into side. So first of all, we have to find out side of the triangle by using this method. So you have to do up to this step by taking area as 81 root 3. Okay, then use this formula to find out height. So someone is saying that he has done 16. So I suggest continue. 17, 18. Anybody still doing 15? Anybody still doing 15? Okay. So I'll rub it. Question number 16. The area of an equilateral triangle, we have to use this formula. That's why I am not rubbing this portion. Again, by the problem, this area, here we have to change. It is 81 root 3. Okay. Here it will be 81 root 3. Root 3 cancel out. So here we will have 81 into 4. Change this 36. It will also be 81. So it will be root over 81 into root over 4. Root 81 is 9. Root 4 is 2. That is 18. Okay. Yes, who is there? Yes, tell me. Look, what is given? In the question it is given that area of the triangle is 81 root 3. So we have to use the formula of area, that is root 3 by 4 into side square, and we have to equate it with the given area. From this equation we have to find out the side first. So side is 18. Now we will use this side in the formula root 3 by 2 into side. In the book it is given root 3 by 2 into a, where a is the side of the equilateral triangle. So first of all you have to identify, you have to find out the side, na? Then only you can find out root 3 by 2 into side. If you do not know the value of the side, okay. So write down, therefore, please mute yourself. So therefore the side of the triangle is 18 centimeter. Therefore, what will be the height? Therefore, height equal to root 3 by 2 into side. It will be root 3 by 2, side is 18. Root 3 by 2 into side is 18 centimeter. That is, if we cancel out, 9 root 3 centimeter. Clear? Now look, here the height is 9 root 3 centimeter. We do not have the value of root 3 given. So if it is given, that is, put root 3 equal to 1.732. For that case, you have to multiply, for that case only, not here. Root 3 equal to 1.732. For that case, you have to multiply 1.732 and 9. Then you have to find out your height. So here it is not given. So what we will do? We will just keep it like this, 9 root 3 centimeter. Do it fast. Okay, if you are done, then we will do the next question, question number 18. We will be doing our next question, which is 18. doing? Anybody still doing? Reply. Otherwise, we will move to the next question, question number 18. Okay. Okay. So next is question number 18. What is given? It is given the height of an equilateral triangle measures 9 centimeters. So height is given. In question number 15 and 16, we had area given. But in question number 18, that is height given. So what we have to do? We have to write down the height of an equilateral triangle is, this is the formula, root 3 by 2 into side, this much unit. Okay. Therefore, by the given problem, this height is given 9 centimeter. So root 3 by 2 into side, that is 9 centimeter. So that implies side equal to these two we have to multiply with 9. So 9 into 2, and this root 3 will come to the denominator. That is 18 by root 3. Now look, we have root 3 in the denominator. So what we have to do? We have to multiply root 3 and root 3 on the numerator and the denominator. Okay? So it will become, for the rationalization part, here we have surds in the denominator. So you have to multiply by root 3 and root 3 in the numerator and denominator. So it will become 18 root 3 by 3, cancel out. So it is 6 root 3. So the side is 6 root 3. What you have to find out? You have to find out the area. So write down, therefore the area is root 3 by 4 into side square. Root 3 by 4 into side square. So it is root 3 by 4. Side square is 6 root 3 whole square. Calculate it. So it will be root 3 by 4. Now what is the value of 6 root 3? What is the value of 6 root 3? 6 root 3 whole square, it means 6 square into root 3 square. 6 square is 36 and root 3 square is 3. So it will be 36 into 3. You can multiply or you can keep it as it is. So 36 into 3. Why we have kept it as it is? Because 4 and 36 we can divide. So 4, 36, it is 9. So what we are left with? We are left with 9 into 3, 27 and root 3. So the area is 27 root 3 square centimeter. Now look, if you keep your answer like this, you will get half or 1 mark less. Why? Because look at the question. What is given? Find the area correct to 2 places of decimal. take root 3 equal to 1.732. So that's why we have to replace this root 3 by 1.732. So write down. Therefore, the area of the triangle is, or you can calculate this one earlier. So that is 27 into 1.732 square cent. Calculate it. 1.732 into 27. Everyone calculate it. What is the result? Yes. 46.76. No, first of all, what you have to find out? First of all, what you have to find out? We have to find out the result correct up to 3 places of decimal. Then you have to round it off. So multiply 1.732 into 27. 46.764. Okay, 46.764. This is the result when we multiply 1.732 and 27. Now read the question once again, the last line. Find the area correct up to 2 places of decimal. Underline this word, correct up to 2 places of decimal. Everyone underline this phrase, correct up to 2 places of decimal. That means here our result is up to 3 places of decimal. We have to convert it into correct up to 2 places of decimal. For the correction, we have to take the answer up to 2 places of decimal. So that means there will be only 2 digits after the decimal. So look at the third digit. Look at the third digit. It is 4. Now 4 is less than 5. The method says if we have to correct up to 2 places of decimal, look at the third place digit. If it is greater than or equal to 5, if it is greater than or equal to 5, then we have to omit the remaining portion and we have to add 1 with the previous number.